Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome to Adagya Travel Tips. Do you know that effective 2025, you can now travel to Ghana without applying for a visa if you are from one of the 55 African countries? If not, stay tuned. I'll bring you all the detailed information right here. I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, guys. The channel is Adagya Travel Tips. Over here, what we do is we give you information regarding the travel and tour industry, from visa applications, document required, touring, working abroad, studying abroad, and all the latest news regarding the tourism industry. We have it here for you. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's increase the following. If you've been with us throughout this journey, we appreciate you. Thumbs up. Alright, guys, so on the 18th of December, the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, granted a visa-free policy to all other African countries to visit Ghana for the purpose of tourism. So when this happens, it means that Ghana will be joining Rwanda, Seychelles, Benin, making them 5 countries that has granted visa-free policy to all the other 55 countries, to visit their country. We all know that Ghana is a gateway to Africa, and it is the center of Pan-Africanism, as its independence influenced all other countries to also attain their independence. So details emerging indicate that executive approval for the visa-free policy was granted on Wednesday, December 18th. The policy will take effect in early 2025, positioning Ghana as the 5th nation to open its borders for the other African countries to visit for tourism. The approval aligns with the African Union's vision of economic integration through the African Continental Free Trade Area. It is anticipated that this move will support efforts to create the world's largest single market encompassing 55 nations and enhance collaboration between African governments and then businesses. So Ghana will join Rwanda, Seychelles, the Gambia, and Benin as the only African countries offering visa-free entry to all other African passport holders. As previously stated, the president in his APD 2024 keynote address delivered under the theme Developing Prosperity in Africa, Produce, Add Value and Trade, pledged Ghana's commitment to the visa-free initiative. Many of you had to acquire a visa to attend this event, he said, referencing a special arrangement that reduced visa-free participants. The government of Ghana is committed to ensuring visa-free travel plans for all African countries, and processing has begun to implement the policy this year, he assured attendees. So the policy has now been communicated to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration and the Ministry of Interior, which have commenced preparation for its execution. The Immigration Service is expected to announce the official start date, which is anticipated to be Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. So this is a good news that we all need to embrace, because I personally don't understand why Africa an African should require a visa while traveling to other African countries. Sometimes you have to go through hurdles and sweat before you can even get access to an African country. So this is going to be a game changer and would enable Africans to, also help develop ourselves, embrace ourselves, and then love our various cultures, and then to project the aim of the African Union to the Western world. So this is a very good news that we all need to embrace. So we say kudos to the president for coming up with such an initiative, right? So any other news relating to this topic, we are going to get you informed, and we wish you all the best as we wait along to start traveling to the other parts of Africa in 2025. So see you in our next video. The channel has been Adagya Travel Tips. Thanks so much for watching. If you feel there's more to add up in this channel. Kindly leave it at the comment section and we promise to work on that. If it's your first time watching, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's increase the following, and also share this video to reach someone who might also be interested in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.